Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so the title of yesterday's webcast was "The Bears Need to Show Some Resolve." No, that's not resolve. So, look, they engaged the lower band here, which is fine. They engaged the 100-day, which is fine, and they're not dead yet. But this right here is not how you instill confidence in what, in my opinion, are still a vast majority of very weak-handed shorts. So they danced around this 32.17, 32.20 area for most of the regular session yesterday after the initial push down. You had an initial push down, you had them trying to get through 20, and they couldn't get it done, and they end up closing it 79.25. Then they proceed to take it up as high as 89.5. They brought it back in a little bit, but here we are. It's 7:35 in the morning, and we're trading 85s. So this is what we've typically seen from the Bears. It's the same old story. These pushes down tend to be buys. So as we parse through today, if you don't get any kind of defense here at these highs, basically at 90, it opens up a move to the weekly pivot to the upside, and they will take every short kicking and screaming all the way to the upside. If the Bears are going to be relevant today, there's no relevancy above weekly pivot, which is your dotted line here. There's no relevancy above the hourly midband, which has been support throughout the night. You had a low here of 56.5. We didn't mess with it too much. We ended up short around 75. Did a little bit, and that was it. Got stopped out overnight. So we're flat now. We'll be flat until the open. As far as short-term areas to look at, I mentioned the hourly mid-band, 65.85. Volume-weighted average price is locked up with daily pivot there about 72.5, 72.75. Our proprietary moving average is 76.75 area. And you got your 5-minute mid-band at 80. Now, the 5-minute mid-band is cooperated for the bulls as support since about 5 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. So on your 5-minute chart, as long as that 5-minute mid-band stays good, then any longs they're fine. Convert that area and maybe get a little bit of a retrace, but I'm not really taking any down move seriously that can't take out the hourly mid-band and leave it contained, because it turns into a dip buy. So yesterday we talked about resolve. The resolve was not there. And that's why I mentioned it early in the morning, because that was going to be the key. If they were going to end up doing a lower band ride, if they were going to end up doing some of these things and maintaining a sell rallies market, they had to show some resolve, especially after they had such a good night. You had the 3 a.m. rejection Sunday night, and they needed to capitalize on that by at least holding serve down here. But they gave it up. All right, that's all I've got. As we get through today, watch that 85 area, watch that 90 area. We are so close to 3,300 now. I fully expect a test of the round number today at some point. What it does should be interesting, and then we're back to fighting over roundies, which tend to be whippy and choppy, so be careful there. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.